Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing some holiday blush favorites. I feel like now we're getting into end of fall, getting into winter, just the colder months. So I feel like a lot of what I reach for in terms of blush is like the deeper shades, the more berry kind of shades, more neutrals, not like the electric vibrant pinks and oranges. So I thought it would be nice to just put together my collection of current favorites that I think would be perfect around the holidays and for the holiday season. So before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Join the fam. Don't miss out on 3 videos a week, so please make sure to subscribe. But if you want to see my holiday season blush favorites, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, this one is gonna be pretty good. I have 6 products here total, and I'm just gonna be picking one up, telling you why I love it. Maybe I'll do a little swatch for you and we'll move on to the next. There are many blushes that I could have gone with and that would have been perfect for this video, but I just picked some that stood out to me as blushes that I just really love and can't get enough of. So again, no particular order. This isn't like worst to best, best to worst, nothing like that. It's just randomly picking up what I like and telling you why I like it. So first one is from Ilia. It's the Soft Focus Blurring Blush in the shade Breathless. First of all, the packaging. I love the packaging on this. I think it's so cute. Here is the color itself. I feel like this is such a good neutral. If you don't want something that's super deep, super berry colored, this is such a good neutral, mauvey, rosy kind of pink that's literally good year round. Like I feel like this would work for any season. Let me do a little swatch on the back of my hand so you guys can see what this looks like. So you can see it's very neutral. Like it's not too much of anything, not too light, not too dark, not too cool, not too warm. It's just that perfect in between. So pigmented. It's like a soft matte finish. It just looks so good with so many different makeup looks. So you cannot go wrong with this product, and it's so easy to travel with. Next is such a favorite for me. This is the Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush Duo in the shade She's Blushing. I'm actually wearing both of these right now and I am just obsessed with how they turned out. They look so freaking good every time. You get a whole mirror on the top half and then you get a cream blush and a powder blush. Both the most amazing quality, like such good products. Cannot recommend enough. I'm gonna swatch both of them for you so you can see what they look like. Both so pigmented, so soft and creamy, just so good for the fall and winter especially. But I wore these in the summer too, so really year round. Here's the cream, the second one right here, and then here is the powder. It's a little bit more, I guess, like baby pinky than the Ilia one is, but they're in the same kind of family of color, I guess. But so pretty when they're paired together or even on their own. They're just such a good formula. Like it's such a soft, like natural finish for the powder. The cream is obviously a radiant finish, but you could set it, you could wear these together, wear them separate. Just such a beautiful finish, such a beautiful product, such good quality. I cannot recommend enough. I always grab for this one whenever I'm trying to decide on a blush to wear. Like I always end up going back to that. It's just so good. Then we have the Too Faced Cloud Crush Whipped Lip and Cheek Color. So this could be for your lips or for your cheeks, but I am absolutely obsessed with this for the cheeks. I love the way this blends. The smell is so amazing. It literally smells like a fruity marshmallow. It's so weird, but it smells so freaking good. The color is absolutely stunning, especially for this time of year. So let me show you what this looks like. It's like a brownie berry kind of color, like that perfect in between of those two. It blends like a dream and it just diffuses into the most beautiful, natural looking flush of color. A little goes such a long way with this. Like you do not need a lot of product at all to get the result. and it looks perfect every single time. Like, I don't know what they did with this formula, but it is perfect. Next, we have the Huda Beauty Blush Filter Liquid Blush in Black Cherry. I really, really love this one. I think the name describes it perfectly. I would literally describe it as like a black cherry color. It's very like purpley berry, but not like in a summery way. Like, there's a difference between like a summer berry and a winter berry, if that makes sense. This one is the perfect like winter berry shade. It has a little bit of that like vibrance, but not too much. Like, it's still that kind of toned down fall winter kind of color, and it's so pretty. This one is very much like a lighter formula. It's a lot more liquidy than the Too Faced. Too Faced is a little bit more like, I don't even know how I would describe it, like a butter almost. And then the Huda Beauty is like a liquid. So it is thinner, but still looks so, so beautiful once it's blended into the skin. I just cannot get enough of it. Every time I wear it, I'm like, ooh, ah, it looks so good. This next one is a little bit different from the rest. This is the Armani Luminous Silk Cheek Tint in the shade 41. So this is like a cherry red, which I know sounds kind of scary when you hear red blush. Like, I feel like I normally would not grab for a red blush. I feel like that would not sound or look that good. But when I got this and I tried it on, I was like, holy cow, I am obsessed and I cannot stop using it now. So I'll show you the swatch. The swatch comes off very red. Like, do not worry. It's not gonna look like this on your cheeks. Once you put it on your cheeks, it diffuses out into the most beautiful, subtle, rosy red tint on your cheeks. Like, it literally looks like you went and laid out in the sun and you got the most perfect, like, sunburnt, sun-kissed, like, color from being outside in the actual sun. But I love it so much for the fall and winter months in addition to the spring, summer months, because when you diffuse it out, it's not too much of one or the other. Like, it's not super vibrant red, like just for the summer, but it's not super toned down either. Like, it's just the perfect flush of red that you can make pop for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for any kind of winter holiday, or really any winter occasion. It looks so amazing. Like, it's like, don't let this swatch fool you, because I know it's intense, but once you blend it out, it is so beautiful and it's so easy to blend. The formula of this one, I would say, is in between the Too Faced and the Huda Beauty. Too Faced is the thickest, Huda Beauty is the most liquidy, and then Armani kind of falls right in the middle of that. But such an amazing formula, such an amazing product. And then last but not least, this is brand new to me, but I'm already obsessed. It's the Huda Beauty Roseberry Blush Filter Palette. So you get 4 different shades in this little palette. Obviously, I picked the Roseberry one, so you get all of these rosy berry kinds of shades, and you have a variety. So you have that very subtle Pink Velvet right here. Then you have Berry Fizz, which is this, it's like a blush lighter. So a blush and a highlighter, and it is a beaming. Then you have Strawberry Cream. So it's like a really pretty strawberry pink, but it's not like a summer pink. It has a little bit more depth to it, which is why I love it for this time of year. And then you have Bronze Berry, which is the perfect, like the name describes it perfectly. It's a bronzy berry color. Let me do a swatch of all 4 of these. And I love this palette because you get 4 in 1. Like, you don't have to buy all the products separately. You have them all right next to each other, and then you can just decide what mood you're in. So if you don't want to buy 4 separate products, you get 4 for 1 in this palette, and the packaging itself is freaking like, I'm obsessed. So here are those swatches. Down here we have Berry Fizz, so you can see just how much of a highlighter that is, as much as of it is a blush. I don't know why that was so hard to get out. Then we have Pink Velvet right next to that. Then we have strawberry cream. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry guys. Pink velvet, strawberry cream, and then bronze berry. Such pigmented blushes. A little goes such a long way with these. Like, I truly feel like this palette is going to last me my entire lifetime. Like, I don't think I'll need to repurchase this palette ever, because you really don't need a lot of product to get a very pigmented, beautiful result. It blends so beautifully. Like, all of these shades blend perfectly into whatever products you have underneath. They just melt into your skin. So beautiful, like so beautiful. You could do so many different looks with this. You could even put them on your eyes and you would get a really pretty eye look out of it. Like, I just love this palette. I think it's so versatile. There's something for everybody. And if you like experimenting, all 4 of these would be good options for you, like I said, depending on the day. So that is it, you guys. Those were all 6 of my holiday season blush products that I recommend. I love these. I use them. I abuse them like crazy, and I just cannot get enough. So I just wanted to share with you what my current obsessions are. But that's all for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think about all of my choices. Let me know if there's a product out there that you want me to try that I haven't already. You guys know I love trying new products, so give me some recommendations. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.